Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to insert shapes to your document on the Pages application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Pages application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Pages application. Enter to open up the application. And now what we will do is go to File, go to Open, go towards the desktop. And then I see Documents.Pages. Click on this. Now open up the Documents Pages. And now the purpose of this tutorial is to insert some shapes into your document. Let's now go to a new line or a new page and go to shape. Let's now insert a basic shape. So that's a square. We can move this around. Next shape to insert, let's just insert a geometric shape. Let's just insert a cone. Let's move that around. Third shape for us to insert will be an object. Let's just insert a table. There we go. We can move this around, increase the size of the table itself. The next will be an animal, and we will insert a rabbit onto our document. And the last shape that we will be inserting, let's insert fruit, avocado, move that to the center. There we go. So Command S to save. We can now quit Pages. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.